into my factory. I'm still working at my Drillpress project, and so far I get it. It's half assembled, painted, and what I done around it, I put a spindle in it, made a few new parts for it, exchanged all bearings for it, get a new drill chuck, made a cast parts for pulleys, and we crafted pulleys. Also there was a holder what holds the engine right here, and that was broken, and this is already fixed, and this is cast iron part. So, and as you know, to weld the cast iron is very hard, so I take a stainless steel welding sticks and try to weld it. But I found out after the painting here is some cracks, but I prevent this part away from the broken, so I put a steel plate clamped down with the screws, and this should to make a better strength on this part. I left to do a few things. I forgot. Here is a up cover right here, and electrics is not yet fixed. While I made this drill press, I found abandoned 2 drill presses in my workshop. So, and I figured out why not? I can fix them too. So, this tool already is painted. Lot of job is done around here. New pulley, reassembled spindle, new drill chuck. I found the engine, but I not yet tested it, and no pulley for it yet. I found out this engine can set on this part what comes around here, and where holds this engine. So I should to re-drill bores and cut the treats and put the engine here. So what else? Most of Soviet made drill presses, here inside is a spring. This have a spring, but this can't pull back completely because inside here I made a shaft with a bore in inside and keyways for this, and there is a little bit too tight. So, and after some time it will work correctly. But here is a little bit sad because here spring is missing and happens this. So I have no idea how I can fix this. One of the way is make a small bore or hook here and attach here small spring what push back or pull back spindle in the hole, and here is the same story. You see. So, and this is not yet painted, and then I adjusted, assembled, but not yet painted it. Definitely I should to repaint it, like this one and this one, drill presses. So, not much work to do around of those 3 drill presses, but I hope soon I get them back in action. So, thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.